In this video, we will be making a weather station with the Arduino. The Arduino will be reading the temperature from a thermistor, and it will be able to calculate that temperature into Fahrenheit and also Celsius and display that temperature onto an LCD display. So that's what we're going to be making in this video. So without further ado, guys, let's get started. So basically here, I have the circuit for the project, and so basically we have an LCD display. Right here, this is an LED, actually here on Tinkercad, but it could be a thermistor in this case because the thermistor only has 2 legs. So we're just demonstrating it as a thermistor. And then also we have a potentiometer to adjust the brightness of the LCD display. The first pins that we connect is G and D, which is ground. We connect that to the ground rail on the breadboard. Then VCC, which is power, and we'll connect that to the positive rail to the breadboard. And also these rails on the breadboard, one is connected, the ground rail is connected to G and D on the Arduino, and the other one is connected to the 5V pin on the Arduino, which provides positive 5 volts. And then the next thing, we have the VO pin. This is connected to the center pin on the potentiometer. And then the other 2 pins, one pin of the potentiometer is connected to ground, and the other pin on the other side of the potentiometer is connected to positive 5 volts. Then we have the RS pin. This pin is connected to pin 12 on the Arduino. And then we have the RW pin. This pin is going to be connected to the ground rail on the breadboard. And then we're going to skip 4 pins. We're going to go to D4. D4 will be connected to digital pin 5. D5 will be connected to digital pin 4 right here. And then D6 on the LCD display will be connected to digital pin 3 on the Arduino. Then D7 on the LCD display will be connected to digital pin 2 on the Arduino. And so then we go ahead and connect the anode side of the LCD backlight. This actually brightens up the LCD screen. We're going to connect it to a 330 ohm resistor, and then the other side of this 330 ohm resistor will be connected to positive 5 volts. So we are providing power to the LCD backlight, and then the cathode of this LCD backlight, we will be connected to ground onto the ground rail of the breadboard right here. And then the thermistor, one side of the thermistor will be connected to positive 5 volts. Then the other side of the thermistor will be connected to a 1K ohm resistor. This is important to actually use a 1K ohm resistor because most thermistors are 1K ohm. So basically you have to have both of the resistors matching. And then on the same row where we connect the one side of the resistor to the thermistor, we will also connect pin A0 from the Arduino to that rail. And this will be where we read the information from the thermistor and try to figure out what its resistance is, and then we can figure out what its temperature is. And so now I'm going to go ahead and set up the circuit. Okay, so now here is the code for our project. So we use 2 libraries here. One is the liquid crystal library. What we do here is we can easily just take this liquid crystal, you can go to tools, and you can go to library manager, and right here you can go ahead and type in the type of library, and it should pull up liquid crystal library by Arduino. Go ahead and install this. I already installed it, but it's pretty easy. So now with the math library, we don't have to do anything with it, so we don't have to install it, so we just include it and we don't have to do anything else like we did with the liquid crystal library where we had to add it into the IDE. A liquid crystal is for the LCD display, so we can use it, and in the math so that we can calculate up the temperature of that the thermistor is reading. So that's why we use this library. So now the first thing we do is we go ahead and do constant thermistor pin. This is the pin that the thermistor is connected to, which is A0. We put that pin number into thermistor pin. And then we have constant RS, and basically we just set up all of the pins that we have the LCD display connected to. We define them all right here, as you can see. And then also we do liquid crystal LCD. This is the name of the LCD. We are naming our LCD so that we can call it and refer to this specific LCD display whenever we want to do something with it. And we give it all of the pins that we have connected to the Arduino, and we give it all the pins that the LCD display is connected to. It's important to give it in this order right here, because if you don't, then it will confuse which pin is which. So it's important to make sure you do this right here in the right order that I have here. So now after we do that, we go ahead and do const float. We do all one. This is going to hold the value of the resistor that we have used, which is a 10K ohm resistor. That's all we need to do. It needs to be a float. So we go ahead and do that. And then we have coefficients here. This is from the data sheet that we got from the thermistor. Most thermistors have the same values here, so it doesn't matter. It's fine. But these are just coefficients that we are going to use to calculate out the temperature. Then we go into the void setup, and we just do lcd.begin, starting the LCD display, and then we go ahead and set up pin A0, which is connected to the thermistor. So then we go into the void loop, we go ahead and read the thermistor. We do an analog read right here, and thermistor pin, which is pin A0, and we're going to put that value, whatever we get, into thermistor value. So now that we have read the thermistor, we can go ahead and try to convert this value, this analog value that we got from it, into resistance. So we just do this calculation right here. Our resistor that we put into the circuit, which is a 10K ohm resistor, times 1023 thermistor value minus 1, and this will give us the current resistance of the thermistor, which then we can use to figure out what the temperature is. And that's what we do here, right here, and then we actually convert these temperatures into Celsius and Fahrenheit. Temp C is holding the temperature in Celsius, and temp F is holding the temperature in Fahrenheit. Then we go ahead and print all this stuff out in the serial model. So the first thing is we do set cursor, and we set in the cursor to 2 columns oval on the 0 row, which is the first row. And we're going to print temperature. So this means the temperature is going to be on the top, and then we go ahead and do lcd.set cursor, and then we can go down to the second row. So now the temperatures are going to be down on the second row below the world temperature. And we go ahead and print temp C, which is temperature in Celsius, and we put C next to it, and then we print lcd.print temp F, which is going to print the temperature in Fahrenheit, and then we just print F, and then we delay 1000 milliseconds or a second. And so basically that's the code, and all this would do now, it will continue to print out the current temperature in Fahrenheit and also in Celsius. So now let's go ahead and see our project in action. Okay, so now here is the project, and as you can see, we have the temperature in Celsius and then in Fahrenheit right here. So Celsius is 13 and Fahrenheit is 56. And now I can just put my hand over the thermistor, and as you can see, the temperature will start rising significantly pretty quickly. So yes, it's pretty accurate, and yeah, and then I let go and it will start dropping. So basically that is the project where you can make your own weather station to tell the temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. So if you like this video, consider giving this video a like. Also comment down below if you have any questions, and consider subscribing if you want to see more content like this. Thank you everyone, have a great day, bye.